Okay, we're at Whole Foods today and they have some great deals on organic fruit right now. I was at Trader Joe's yesterday and I saw they had organic kiwis. I think they were $6.99, but here at Whole Foods they have them for $4.99 for Prime members. And then they also have organic peaches on sale, $3.99 per pound for Prime members. Look how delicious these peaches look. These are from the USA. And then they also have California grown organic strawberries for $3.99 a pound from Tomatero Organic Farm from Watsonville. Okay, let's go see what other kind of organic food deals they have at Whole Foods this week. All right, here's organic nectarines for $3.99 a pound here at Whole Foods. Those look good. All right, organic seedless mini watermelons, $4.99 here at Whole Foods. And then they also have organic cantaloupes for $3.99 at Whole Foods. All right, organic pitted medjool dates, $12.79 each for Prime members. And here we have California grown organic Blenheim apricots for $5.99. And organic baby broccoli, $2.99 each here. Look how cute these little broccolis are. You can eat the stems and everything of this. And organic mini cucumbers for $3.49 each here. And I don't see any mushrooms on sale right now, but check out this beautiful selection of organic mushrooms. Some are organic, some are not, here at Whole Foods. But look at these beautiful lion's mane mushrooms, organic blue oyster mushrooms, $9.99. Organic umami mushrooms. I've never even tried those before. Organic royal trumpet mushrooms, $9.99. And then they also have one of my favorites, it's just organic shiitake mushrooms for $5.99. That's a good price for organic shiitakes. Then they have mushroom medleys, $3.49. And organic baby bellas for $3.79. Pretty good. And check out this beautiful display of bell peppers and artichokes and yellow squash and zucchini and eggplant and cucumbers. These are all in season right now. And then look at this beautiful displays of ginger, horseradish root. This is what horseradish looks like. This is like actually spicy. That's what they make wasabi with. And then there's serrano peppers. This is organic turmeric. It looks like ginger, but it's actually bright orange on the inside. I don't know if you can see like that right there. And then organic jalapenos and snap peas. And here's an organic leafy green section here at Whole Foods. They have bunches of spinach for $2.69, red dandelions for $2.99. Those are delicious. I have a video on how to cook dandelion greens. Those are really good. Then they have green dandelion greens. They have organic green leaf lettuce, organic Boston butter lettuce. This is like a really tender lettuce. This one's $2.49. Then they have baby romaine, organic endive. This is what endive looks like. Normally you'll find this in like lettuce mixes. It's like kind of bitter and curly. And then what else? They have frisee. This is also usually found in lettuce mixes. Look at this is what the head of frisee looks like. Beautiful. And then they have baby romaine. This is a daikon radish. This is a lot of times they'll pickle this in Japanese cuisine and put it in sushi. It's one of my favorite types of sushi. Okay, and then they have organic Komatsu Suna greens. I've never had that before. And Mizuna, this is a Japanese green, look at that. And organic radicchio. All right, and then organic Crips pink apples grown in Washington, $2.39 a pound. Look at those. All right, and they still got these organic Cosmic Crisps on sale for $2.69 here at Whole Foods. Ooh, look at, they have organic Royal Star papaya for $1.99 a pound. Wow, that looks good. I think I'm gonna get a papaya today. Look at this one. This one's nice and yellow. That one, the inside will be nice and orange. You can get a green papaya too, and that'll be kind of white on the inside. Okay, and they still have these organic Packham pears for $2.49 a pound and organic Bosque pears for $2.49 a pound. Look how beautiful those are. All right, Now moving on to the snack aisle here at Whole Foods. I've never had this brand before. It's called Lesser Evil Popcorn. It's organic and they're having them on sale. Pink lemonade popcorn, 2 for $7. And then they have watermelon hibiscus popcorn. Like, have you ever tried popcorn with those flavors? I've never had that before. Let me know if you've ever had this Lesser Evil brand. Okay, and this rustic bakery brand, they have sourdough flatbreads here on sale for Prime members, $6.47 at Whole Foods. They have black sesame seed, herbs de Provence, rosemary and olive oil and celery, sweet onion and creme fraiche, and everything spice. These are fun flatbreads. Oh, look at this, artisan crisps. This is a new one, $6.47 on sale. Apricot, pistachio, and brandy, citrus, ginger, and thyme. And then they have a chipotle cayenne biscuit for $4.67, and then for $5.57 a black and white sesame biscuit. Let me know if you've ever had this brand before. I've never had this, but they sound really good. Sourdough flatbreads. Okay, and if you drink wine, this is a Luna Rio Organic Petnat Bromaro Pinot Grigio on sale for $17.99, regularly $21.99. And look at this beautiful bottle in this packaging. It looks like it comes from Italy. There's all kinds of like spontaneous fermentations, re-fermented with its must. Contains only naturally occurring sulfites. That's good. I don't like sulfites in wine. Without disgorging confondo. I don't know what that is. Natural tartaric stabilization. USDA organic. And look how cool this bottle is. That'd be a nice gift for someone here at Whole Foods. Okay, I've seen this brand before at Grocery Outlet. This is the Once Upon a Farm brand. It's they have a 4-pack of organic immunity blends for $9.49 each, regularly $11.99, and that's with the Prime membership, I believe, here at Whole Foods. Okay, and they have this Sir Kensington's organic mayonnaise for $7.01 for Prime members here at Whole Foods. And they also have this Jovial organic mixed vegetables for $4.13. And another one that's Italian cannellini beans and tomatoes for $3.41. And then this is a brand, my husband likes this Kinder's barbecue sauce. It's on sale for $4.67, regularly $6.99. They have an original and a hickory brown sugar flavor barbecue sauce. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of these stickers that say low price, same high standards. So I don't know what that means exactly, but it looks like maybe they've been lowering their prices here at Whole Foods. But I wanted to show you, this is the price for organic tomato sauce here, $2.79 here at Whole Foods. For organic marinara, tomato basil, creamy vodka, for cheese, Italian herb, and a spicy arrabbiata pasta sauce. So that's a pretty good deal actually on pasta sauces. Oh, and look, they even have organic plant-based bolognese sauce, and a portobello, and a fat-free marinara for $2.79. Okay, so a while ago at Trader Joe's, I was looking for lasagna noodles, but they have egg in them, and so if you don't eat eggs, it's not an option. But I'm noticing here the 365 brand, they have no boil lasagna noodles, and it's just Durham wheat semolina, so that's actually pretty good. This is $3.29 for 1 pound of lasagna. And actually, look at this lasagna. This you do have to boil, actually. It's $2.79 for a pound, but look at organic lasagna noodles. And let's see, I hope they don't have egg. No, just wheat. So that's pretty good. I think I'll get a pack of this and hopefully make some lasagna. All right, and right now they have on sale the Jovial brand of organic Einkorn flour. This is $7.28 for 2 pounds of Einkorn flour. And then this is an all-purpose and then a whole wheat. I've never tried Einkorn. If you've tried it before, let me know, because that's pretty cool. I don't know what the difference is actually, if it's still a wheat. I'll have to look more into that. All right, and here in the frozen section at Whole Foods, they have this brand again, this Once Upon a Farm this is like baby food basically, for $4.22 each. They have a plant-rich meals, greens and beans. They have a veggie burrito bowl. That's pretty cool. And then they have down here peas past the greens. Peas, zucchini, and avocado oil for $4.22. They have curried carrot and beans for $4.22. Mango and veggie medley. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Organic frozen baby food.